Hey guys, this is Sushma. Welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So in this video, I'm going to show you something really interesting. So I'm going to show you how to make balcony decor. So let's get started. So guys, these are few planks that I found after decluttering my home. So if you have anything as such, you can just try this DIY, or else you can buy some MDF boards to make this DIY. Here I'm using a cello tape to create a nice pattern. So if you have paper tape, you can even use that. So guys, here's a tip for you. While applying the paint on the created pattern, make sure you apply a little pressure on the tape. So this is to make sure that the paint doesn't really get under the tape. So here the paints I'm using are a couple of acrylic colors and some chalk paints. So you can use any paint. And if it is a plain plank, you can seal it with a nice varnish. So here I am using a combination of metallic and matte colors to create a vibrant look. So guys, once the colors are applied, make sure you dry it completely so that you can get a clear and nice pattern. So guys, this is the final look. It's looking really vibrant and beautiful. So now I'm going to add a couple of ribbons and I'm going to decorate it in my balcony. So let's have a look at it. So guys, I have decorated it in my balcony and it's looking really beautiful. So guys, this is the final look. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited shades of innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.